Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this account cannot use WhatsApp due to spam solution. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search for the WhatsApp. Here you need to click on WhatsApp and click on three bars on the top left. Here you need to click on Help Center. Here you need to click on three bars on the top right. Scroll down, click on accounts and account bans. Here you need to click on account bans again. Click on about account bans. Scroll down, click on email us. So once you are on that page, click on contact us. Here you need to enter your phone number. Then you need to enter your email, confirm your email. How do you use WhatsApp? So here you need to select your device. And here you need to enter your message that my account bans, can you please check and help to resolve my issue. And after that you need to click on next step, and in the next step you simply need to send the request, and then the WhatsApp team will contact with you in 24 to 48 hours on your email and help to resolve your issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.